14 years later, and finally a verdict in the trial over the crash of Air France Flight 447 from Rio to Paris. Judges cleared Air France and plane manufacturer Airbus of involuntary manslaughter, but they said they bore civil responsibility for the accident, a decision that brings more confusion than closure for the victims' families.
They used the word responsible, and they said Airbus and Air France made errors, and many of them, and yet they are acquitted. I find it very difficult to understand my country's judicial system.
Lawyers representing the families of the victims said the verdict would do nothing to end their ordeal.
It's hard to understand for the families. It's torture. But what we should take from this is that Airbus and Air France were found responsible, no matter the nuance between criminal and civil.
Air France issued a statement saying it takes note of the ruling. It will always remember the victims of this terrible accident and expresses its deepest sympathy to all of their loved ones. On the 1st of June 2009, the Airbus A330 crashed into the sea off the coast of Brazil, killing all 228 people on board. It was Air France's worst ever accident. The official investigation found that several factors contributed, including pilot error and the icing over of external sensors called pitot tubes, which have since been removed from planes. The families of the victims can still appeal the court's decision.